I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up payments on your Etsy dashboard can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Make sure you have your shop information handy, as you will need it for the setup. Step 2. Navigate to Shop Manager. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager in the top right corner. This is where you can manage all aspects of your shop, including payment settings. Step 3. Access payment settings. In the Shop Manager, find and click on Finances, then select Payment Settings. This will take you to the area where you can configure your payment options. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha: if you select Etsy Payments, ensure your bank account is verified to avoid delays in receiving funds. Step 5. Review and save. After entering all necessary information, review your settings carefully. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to finalize your payment setup. Setting up payments on Etsy can seem daunting, but following these steps should help you get it done smoothly. Good luck with your shop.